Today, today is install the storm door day. I've already removed the frame, and this side looks pretty good, but it needs insulation. And this side is pretty sparsely squared off with a few shims. And it also needs insulation. And here's the storm door we're going to install. And I started reading the very lengthy directions. I'm going to be building a new frame since I took the old frame off. I'm going to be using some 2x4s because I hope to put insulation on the outside of this siding. Don't know if that's going to happen. If it doesn't happen, well, we got a nice thick frame with good spacing between the door and the storm. And if it does happen, we have room for the insulation to go on the old siding. And of course, I found this. More rot. So I'm going to clean that out and putty that up. It's not all the way through, so hopefully it's enough so the house doesn't fall down. It does look like, I forget what this board is called. That board is pressure treated, so that's good. Okay, getting started. I remember what the board's called. It's the sill. So, started removing rot, and what I found was the corner of the house is totally rotten. So I'm going to just cut that piece out with my skill saw or my Dremel and put some new pieces in there and putty them up really good. If anybody buys this house after us, they're just going to knock this baby down, so I don't want to put too much into it. But it'll last us another 10-15 years. Alright, so this was not on my schedule of fun things to do today.
Not on the schedule for it.
But I cut all the rot out, and now I'm going to close it all up. So, except for finding some siding to put back on, that concludes this part of the unscheduled fixed for today. Now, back to the screen door. So the new frame is up and painted. The rot is covered. The new door is in the sun. I went from my winter jacket to my spring jacket and a vest to just my spring jacket to just my vest. And now I'm just in a long sleeve shirt, and it's pretty hot and sunny out here. That's the kind of day it is. And there it is. Ta-da! Ta-da!